Hi guys, Ann Smith here from NJ Car, and I'm here to ask for your help with the NJ Carpool. So you may be wondering, what is the NJ Carpool? Well, the NJ Carpool is our outreach network that basically keeps everybody up to date about what's going on in Trenton and Washington, D.C. So you may also want to know, is my dealership participating in the NJ Carpool? Well, if you're seeing this video, your dealership is participating, which means occasionally you and your coworkers will receive an email about legislation that we either support or oppose. So why is the NJ Carpool important? Well, the NJ Carpool is really important because we need to let legislators know the value that local dealerships bring to their community, the value that they bring to the customers that they serve, and also the value that they bring to the people that work for them and their families. So one final question you may have is, what do you need from me? We're not asking you to get political, and we're not asking you to take any sides. What we are asking for is, when you occasionally get those emails, please open them up, please read them, and please participate. It's very important to protect our industry and have our voices heard. Thanks so much for your time, and as always, NJ Car appreciates your continued support. Have a great day.